want you guys to repeat after me. Get mad.
Get mad.
One more time. Get mad.
Get mad.
One more time. Get mad.
Get mad.
Well, I want to spend a quick minute here just making sure you guys understand what get mad really means. It doesn't matter what we teach you this weekend. It doesn't matter what I show you every game changer. I can show you, I prove this, I can show you how to take 34-cent investments and 10x it. You got people that have been following me for years. You got people that's been following me for months making money. Nothing changes that. But it doesn't matter what I show you if you don't put it in the right perspective and have the right context. I want y'all to write this down. Terminology and perspective. Terminology and perspective. I'm going to give you some terminology and perspective that you have to have if you are personally going to succeed financially. The key word though is what? Personal. It's personal. It's personal. And until you get mad and start taking this stuff personal, you're not going to succeed financially. Capitalism will kick your ass. Capitalism will kick your ass. Do you hear me? And I'm just being honest with you because there's nothing wrong with capitalism if you're on the right side of it. But until you get the right terminology and the right perspective, which comes with the proper mindset, you're not going to make it. Look, let me give it to you the way I built my business. Okay? There are 3 levels of millionaire. 3 levels. Now this isn't official, it's kind of unofficial, but I want you to think of it this way with the right terminology and what? Perspective. How many levels? 3. The first stage of millionaire is $1 million net worth. Write that down. Stage 1 equals net worth. Stage 1 is net worth. See, a lot of you guys, the problem you're going to have mentally is that you don't realize how far ahead you are than most people. Because you're going to keep comparing yourself to what you think a millionaire is. And I want you to write this down as a side note. Comparison is the thief of joy. And keep comparing your journey to everybody else's, and keep comparing your bank account to this guy's, and what this guy's driving, and how this young lady's living. Comparison is the thief of joy. Comparison will rob you of the success you are attaining, and the next thing you know, you give up because you're so worried about comparing yourself to somebody else that you don't realize that God had you on your path.
Come on.
Right.
So I'm going to give you some terminology and perspective so you can understand that you are winning. Here's how the bank looks at you. It's simple. There's a sheet of paper called a balance sheet. The first thing you got to do is understand liabilities versus what? Assets. They want to know when you go to the bank how your asset column looks. What have you accumulated that if something were to happen, in other words, what do you have that somebody's willing to what? Buy. What do you have that's increasing in value? People don't buy things that decrease in value. People buy things that what? Increase in value. So what do you have that people are willing to purchase? I made sure that I continue, even as a young man, to make sure my asset column continued to grow. Now, capitalism will make sure that your liability column continues to grow. Because your liability is somebody else's asset. So the winner in capitalism is the person who can get the most people believing that they aren't the asset, but the other thing is. So car dealerships all day, every day, all the time. Payday loans and buy here, pay here, and all these different things. People wake up every morning to figure out how to rob you with an ink pen. That's capitalism. Every morning, they're trying to figure out how to get people who don't understand the things I'm about to show you. They're trying to figure out how to get you to not invest in assets, but invest in liabilities that create assets for them.